Located just 5 miles south of Pismo Beach, California, with incredible scenery along the ocean, sits Pacific Dunes Ranch RV Resort. Covering 40 acres of land, Pacific Dunes Ranch offers a unique destination for anyone looking to find an exclusive outdoor recreation experience. With conveniently located cottages and over 200 RV sites, this campground has the only direct access to the Oceano Dunes, making it a truly special destination. With Pismo Beach being a favorite spot for RVers, this resort gives you all the amenities of an RV resort to kick back and enjoy the waves in comfort. Exploring 10 minutes north up the coast will bring you to Pismo Beach, with its historic pier and promenade. Also, the Monarch Butterfly Grove is a major attraction for families and nature lovers alike. And a little further north, you'll find Morro Rock, an ancient volcanic mound right on the tip of Morro Bay Beach. Pacific Dunes is also 10 minutes from the 101 freeway, right in the heart of California's Central Coast wine country. Whether you want to explore by foot, hoof, or off-road vehicle, Pacific Dunes Ranch RV Resort provides a stunning landscape to enjoy, drawing travelers from all over the world with its rolling hills and scenic ocean backdrop. Hiking through the sand will give you time to soak up the atmosphere, but hopping on a 4x4 is a unique way to experience the area and thrill the senses. If you prefer a different kind of ride, you can take the trails to the beach on a guided horseback tour with the resort stable staff, taking in the views at a leisurely pace. It's bound to be an experience you will never forget. Offering activities everyone can enjoy, Pacific Dunes Ranch is an incredible destination just waiting for you to arrive. Visit our website to book your stay today.